Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Tomorrow I have my beautiful parents coming for lunch, and I thank God every day when I can say those words. And for tomorrow I'm going to be preparing one of my dad's favorite, and it is Stuffato di Coniglio alla Calabrese, rabbit stew. Delicious, and let's get started. Okay, to start we're going to add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, we're going to salt the rabbit on both sides, rabbit pieces, and some black pepper. We're going to dredge it in all-purpose flour, shake it, and put it in the pan to sear. We just want to sear them until they're golden brown. I'm going to deglaze all this good stuff with about half a cup of white wine. I seared the rabbit in 4 batches. Okay, we're going to start with 1 diced sweet onion, 2 cups of diced carrots, 3 diced garlic cloves. We're going to add some sea salt, pepper. I'm just going to let everything saute at medium heat for about 10 minutes. 2 jalapeno peppers sliced in half, 2 sliced bell peppers, 1 kilo of very small potatoes. And I'm going to add 2 cups of small onion, 2 cups of white wine, Pinot Grigio. Okay, I have 2 cups here of vegetable stock. Now I'm just going to give this a really good mix and let it simmer for approximately half an hour. It's been half an hour. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 jars of passata. Added some purified water to the jars just to clean up all the tomatoes. Okay, 2 pinches of baking soda. Okay, now it's time to add the rabbit back into the stew. It has combined beautifully. Now we're just going to cover and let it simmer for 1 hour. My rabbit stew has been simmering for an hour. I gave it a good mix. Now I'm just going to add some salt. To add approximately half a cup of basil and parsley. I'm going to give this a really good mix, and then I'm going to let it simmer for approximately another 45 minutes. My rabbit stew is ready for tomorrow's lunch. My sweet papa is going to love it. I'm going to taste it for you. Absolutely delicious. If you've never tried rabbit, you must try it. This is absolutely out of this world. I want to thank you all for joining me today, and I want to wish you all a very happy Easter. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. God bless. So I have my beautiful parents here for lunch. We're having rabbit stew. So happy Easter, Mapa. Cin a salute, 100 anni.
È lo stesso per voi.
Yes, okay, può provare lo rabbit stew.
I will provide it's beautiful.
Taste it, Ma, taste the rabbit stew. Tell me what you think. Ma, taste the rabbit stew. Com'è, Ma? Delicious. So good. Very, very good. Oh, I'm so glad. Okay, enjoy, Ma. Enjoy, Pop.